Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Crochet Pattern. I hope you are all doing well. I pray that Allah bless you and keep you safe. May you stay away from all trouble and calamities. Amen. In today's video, I have brought amazing and stylish crochet handmade baby blanket design ideas, which you can see, in which you will be able to get awesome and stylish crochet handmade baby blankets collection on my channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, so subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Watch the video till the end. Keep watching, keep enjoying, keep getting ideas. Thank you. Be happy to see. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.